Here's an old Sears box fan. This is a 20-inch 2-speed. Unfortunately, the motor has some problems, which is really kind of a shame because I actually have the original box and instruction manual for this somewhere. But anyways, it has kind of a cool startup sound, so I'm going to give it a test run today. And I'll try to move this out of the wind stream. I'll start off on high. As with almost all these older metal blade fans, it's got quite a bit of power to it. You can see it's moving that fan pretty good, and it's shaking stuff all the way over there. Even that phone cord, it's not even in the airstream. Really strong fan. I'm going to let it spin down. We're going to start it up off low as well. I don't know how long this is going to take to spin down. Not really an advisable thing to do, but I don't want to have to edit the video, so I did it anyways. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug it and I'm going to switch it on to low, and then I'm going to plug it in so we can get the startup sound on low. And I'm going to move it out to airstream again. There's definitely something wrong with that motor. It shouldn't sound like that. It used to sound different. I'll have to dig up an older video of this and post it. A little shaky and low. Still quite powerful though, and it's not loud at all. Alright, I'll switch it off, and I will try to get the startup sound from the back. It's probably going to make a disaster to my work table now because the everything is going to blow around that's loose. Okay, there we go, startup sound from the back. Here the motor's got a good hum to it too. There's definitely something wrong with it. I think this has quite a few hours on it. The bearings are really worn. Well, anyways, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.